Beijing, China's capital city, is a dynamic metropolis that seamlessly blends a rich history with modern development. With a population of over 21 million, Beijing is not only China's political and cultural center but also a major global city. Here are some key aspects and attractions of Beijing. Historical and cultural landmarks. Beijing boasts an array of historical landmarks that reflect its imperial past and cultural heritage. The Forbidden City, an imperial palace complex, stands as a symbol of China's dynastic rule. Its stunning architecture, intricate artwork, and vast courtyards are a testament to the grandeur of ancient Chinese civilization. Nearby, Tiananmen Square holds immense historical significance as the site of important political events in modern Chinese history. The Great Wall of China. As one of the most iconic structures in the world, the Great Wall of China is an absolute must-visit when in Beijing. Several wall sections are easily accessible from the city, including Beideling, Muxianyu, and Jinshanling. The wall offers breathtaking views of the surrounding landscapes and showcases the incredible engineering skills of ancient China. Temple of Heaven. This magnificent temple complex, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, served as a place of worship for emperors during the Ming and Qing dynasties. Its grand architectural design and tranquil surroundings make it a popular destination for locals and tourists. The temple's Hall of Prayer for Good Harvests is an architectural marvel. Summer Palace. A tranquil retreat from the bustling city, the Summer Palace is a vast imperial garden featuring a beautiful lake, pagodas, pavilions, and meticulously landscaped gardens. Stroll along the long corridor, enjoy a boat ride on Kunming Lake, or climb Longevity Hill for panoramic views. Traditional hutongs. Beijing's historic hutongs offer a glimpse into the city's traditional way of life. These narrow alleyways are lined with traditional courtyard houses where you can experience local culture, visit small shops, and try delicious street food. Modern architecture. Beijing Skyline combines traditional and modern architectural marvels. The Beijing National Stadium, the Bird's Nest, is an iconic structure from the 2008 Summer Olympics. The CCTV headquarters, designed by renowned architect Rem Koolhaas, is a striking example of contemporary architecture. Art and culture. Beijing has numerous museums, art galleries, and theaters showcasing China's rich cultural heritage. The National Museum of China, the 798 Art District, and the National Center for the Performing Arts are some of the notable venues. Culinary delights. Beijing offers a wide range of culinary experiences. Indulge in traditional Beijing cuisine, including Peking duck, dumplings, and Mongolian hot pot. Wangfujing Street and Guizhi Street are popular destinations for street food and local snacks. Parks and gardens. Beijing has several parks and green spaces to relax and enjoy nature. Beihai Park, Fragrant Hills Park, and the Beijing Botanical Garden are among the city's most beautiful green retreats. Shopping and markets. Beijing offers a vibrant shopping scene. From modern shopping malls to traditional markets like Silk Street and Panjiayuan Antique Market, visitors can find everything from luxury brands to unique souvenirs and traditional crafts. Beijing's blend of ancient traditions and modernity offers a captivating experience for visitors, making it a city that truly reflects the spirit and diversity of China.